morning, everyone. Welcome back into North Dakota today. Well, we are getting in the holiday spirit. We're getting very festive today. Tell me what's going on, John.
First, what holiday are you talking about?
You know, it involves red, pink, hearts.
I just really don't. I don't know why I'm here.
I don't know.
So no, last week we had selected from this Get Crafty sort of jar of crafts, make a yarn wrapped heart. Okay, and I thought, gosh, that's so relevant or so topical or so appropriate for Valentine's Day, right? And so that's what we had picked out, and I got this jar here again so we can pick out some more. And so, yeah, so the instructions on that one were, let me pick that up, twist pipe cleaner into a heart and then wrap it with some yarn, okay? And so I started to do that last night, and it seemed like the pipe cleaner really wasn't holding its shape.
Okay.
You know, so I'll hold this up right here. So basically what I did is I took a pipe cleaner, and I'll show you right now, but I basically just, pinched this part, brought the ends down, and then twisted them at the bottom.
Okay,
And
nice
that's
and easy.
really, that's really nice and easy. So I did that, and I brought some different types of yarn. I got these at Walmart. So here's some kind of, I guess, appropriately or very definitely, pink and white and sort of like this, rainbow sort of color. It's different colors all in one, and this was about $3.
Wow.
So it's like save some money. You don't have to buy a whole bunch of different types of yarn or colors of yarn. So I thought that made sense. Oh, and I got these for you too. Some candies.
Nice.
Oh.
A North Dakota Valentine.
nice
I love it.
There we go. Also, if you need to, with what you're working on, I guess if it's another sort of holiday or Valentine's Day craft, you could purchase one of these and then just trace the shape
Oh.
of it. This was like, this wasn't even $2 to buy this sort of thing. And so, there's Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, and then, yes, I was talking about, I found these at Dollar Tree. These hearts. And so you could write your own messages, on these hearts, just like the candies, the Valentine's candies.
Cute.
Yes.
And so is that something you were going to work on?
That, you know what, it might.
Okay, all right. I'm not going to force you because then it's no fun.
It may be a surprise.
Sure.
I
Okay.
don't know.
She's making Valentines over here.
Yes, and isn't it a great time of year? I know some people say it's kind of like boo-hoo or what's the point? And it's like, you know what, it's just great to show individuals affection and, I suppose spend a little money too.
There you go.
Yes, reward people. So many people talk about their love languages at this time of the year.
Yeah.
Mine is acts of service.
Mine's the same.
Oh, really? Okay. And that's why I'm here. This is an act of service for my community. Thank you so much for allowing me to.
Do you know yours, Sophia?
I think mine is the one where people buy me stuff.
Gift giving.
But when other people, so that's.
But it kind of
they
goes
need to
both
speak,
ways.
right?
Oh, well.
So she only likes receiving gifts.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's it. Well, I imagine you probably give them too, if that's your love language. Words of affirmation is another one, kind of like you're doing
that's
a
a
good
good one,
job.
too.
and,
Yeah.
I think
I
with
like
this
that
show,
one too.
I think, you do that all day. Thank you so much. In the morning, you
true.
offer words of affirmation
Yeah.
to so many individuals, and that's huge. So thank you for doing that. So I just took this pipe cleaner and I pinched this sort of area here at the top, just kind of in the middle. I pinched right there, and then I bring the ends down like this.
Okay.
Yeah, and then twist it. And I just found that the yarn, what are you finding? How's that working out with the
I'm
yarn?
finding, I did hear how you said this was hard to hold structure once you start wrapping yarn around it.
Yeah,
so,
I just found that.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it in a loose manner right now. We're going to see how this goes throughout the commercial break, but right now I'm just wrapping yarn around one little side of the heart. It is pretty loose right now. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to stay, but I guess
that's what I was
time
thinking.
will tell.
And then I had thought too, you could take different colors of pipe cleaner
Ooh.
and perhaps wrap those around.
Yeah, that might
and
be
these
easier.
Were these
Yeah.
were Dollar Tree, not too expensive, And I got 3 packages of them. But also, I had taken, there we go, some pipe cleaner and I put beads on the pipe
Cute.
cleaner. Yeah.
And
so
that
I
gives
thought,
it a little more structure
yes,
too.
yes, it makes it a little more firm. So I'll do that right now. I'll bend this sort of into a heart shape with the beads on it. And so now I've got that. So it started out, just pipe cleaner. And now I put some, actually it'd probably be that way on the screen.
I love it. Well, you guys at home know the drill by now. We're going to keep working throughout the commercial break, and we'll be right back with an update and more. This is how you make it.